Devika, which is an agentic AI software engineer. It aims to revolutionize this field of software development. Well, this project stands as an open source alternative to Devin, which is a similar AI developed by Cognition AI. But what exactly is this agentic AI software engineer and how does Devika function? So let's see it together. First, understand what is agentic AI. So this agentic AI, it refers to a type of AI that can not only understand and respond to instructions, but also take initiative and act independently. So in this context of the software engineering, agentic AI like Devika, it goes beyond simply writing codes. It can grasp high-level human instructions, break them down into actionable steps, research relevant information, and then generate the necessary code to achieve the desired outcome, which makes Devika a powerful tool for developers, potentially streamlining the software development process. So if we understand this in its inner working, so this Devika leverages a combination of cutting edge technologies to achieve its functionality. So here is a breakdown of its key component. First, it uses the large language models, which are at the core of Devika's natural language processing ability. These models allow Devika to comprehend human instruction, translate them into programming logic, and generate human readable code. This Devika offers flexibility too by supporting various LLM providers like Claude 3 and GPT-4, and even hosted options like the ones present in Olama, which allows you to choose the model that best suits your need based on factors like speed, cost, and desired quality. Then is planning and reasoning algorithm. Devika does not simply process instruction, it reasons and plans through algorithms. So this planning algorithms enables Devika to break down complex tasks into smaller achievable steps. And this reasoning algorithms allows it to evaluate different approaches and choose the most efficient course of action. Then the web browsing capabilities. So Devika can access and process information from this web, which allows it to research relevant libraries, frameworks, and coding practices to complete the assigned task. So by leveraging web-based resources, Devika stays up to date with the ever-evolving programming landscape. And their fusion allows us to get what we are seeing in this image, but in more detail. We will orchestrate the process, the agent core. So imagine a central conductor is directing an orchestra. The agent core in Devika plays a similar role, which is receiving user instruction, then delegating the task to specialized subagents, managing the project context and conversation history, and even evaluating the thinking process through time updates, keeping it any case you inform of its progress. So this power of specialization. So besides this agent code, there is a collection of specialized agents. Each has its master of crafts. So here it's a glimpse of its expertise. First is a planner. It analyzes your prompts, devises step-by-step plans, and then summarizes the key areas of focus. Then a researcher, it extracts the search queries from the plan, prioritizes them for efficiency, and then gathers information through targeted web searches. Then it's a coder, which transforms the plan and research findings into actionable code, ensuring proper structure, documentation, and compatibility with various languages and frameworks. Then an action. It deciphers your follow-up instruction, which identifies this intended action and confirms it with you with clarity. Then a runner. It executes the generated code in a secure environment which handles different operating systems and providing real-time output, keeping you in the loop. Next is a feature, which implements new features based on your specifications and seamlessly integrating them into existing code while maintaining functionality and style. Then a patcher, a debugging wizard analyzing code to pinpoint issues, suggesting fixes and implementing them with clear explanation. And then finally a reporter. It generates comprehensive project reports, summarizes everything from high-level overviews to technical design, setup instructions, API documentation, and more. It formats these reports for readability and exports them as PDF for easy references. And beyond text, it interacts with the web. So this Devika's capability extends beyond code generation. It can interact with the web pages using the browser and the crawler classes. So this browser class acts like a skilled web navigator, launching browsers, visiting URLs, extracting the content, and even taking screenshots. And this crawler class, on the other end, it leverages LLMs to understand your natural language instruction and current web page content. It then determines the optimal actions to take to achieve your desired outcome. So this organization and persistence. So Devika does not forget your projects and its own thoughts process. This project manager class meticulously manages project creations, updates, and queries. It also stores conversation history, allowing you to revisit past interactions. Agent state management, handled by the agent state class, keeps track of this agent's internal state, including the current step, internal monologue reflecting its thought, browser interactions, and token usage. And this information is also persisted in a database, providing real-time visibility into the agent's thought process, which allows you to resume from interruptions or analyze its behavior for debugging purposes. When we expand its horizon, we see that Devika seamlessly integrates with external devices like GitHub and Netlify, so making tasks like cloning repositories, deploying applications a breeze. Additionally, various config utility modules like config, logger, read code, sentence, bird, and exports, they provide crucial functionalities that streamline Devika's operation. So it must have certain benefits. So the first benefit in this is increased efficiency. So by automating repetitive tasks and leveraging web resources, Devika can significantly reduce development time. Second, it can reduce error. And third, it has its accessibility for non-programmers. So with its high-level instruction